Log into Patient Express dashboard using your credentials. Click on the icon at top right corner and go to Configuration. Scroll a bit in Open Form Template Designer and Edit Medical Designer. Here you can either reset to the default settings or add category with Add button. Now add the category name, enter the specific age. You can use any age operator and gender as well for which you want to create this category and submit. Click on OK. You can again add a new category depending upon your requirement. Add only category name if you want to make this category applicable for all the patients. You'll now see the added categories at the bottom of the form. Add the diseases which you want to be in this category. Select the disease from the list and add. Adding some more diseases here. Click on Delete icon to remove any disease. Click on Sort Alphabetically button to sort the names of the diseases. Adding items to another category. You can hit the update to directly update any category. You can turn on pharmacy to collect the pharmacy details. Hit update to save the whole medical form. Now, we'll check if the category we added is reflecting while sending the form. Select any patient and attach the medical form, sign right now and submit. Scroll the form, Demo Category 1 is visible. You can see the pharmacy section as well. Patient can now easily fill up all the details and submit the form. Thanks for watching.